Healthy keto recipes including keto bread. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has become increasingly popular in recent years. One of the biggest challenges of following a keto diet is finding delicious, satisfying recipes that fit within the dietary guidelines. In this article, we will explore some healthy keto recipes, including a recipe for making keto bread. One of the key principles of the keto diet is to limit your intake of carbohydrates, which typically come from grains, fruits, and vegetables. Instead, you should focus on eating healthy fats and proteins. A common misconception is that the keto diet is all about eating bacon and steak, but in reality, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods. One of the most popular keto-friendly foods is the avocado. Not only are they packed with healthy fats and fiber, but they are also incredibly versatile. One delicious and healthy keto recipe is avocado toast. Simply mash up an avocado and spread it on a slice of keto bread, recipe at end of video, and top with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Another delicious and healthy keto recipe is salmon with a side of asparagus. Start by seasoning the salmon with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Then, place it in a pan and cook until it's cooked through. While the salmon is cooking, steam the asparagus for a few minutes until it's tender. Serve the salmon and asparagus together for a delicious and healthy keto meal. Now, let's talk about the recipe for making keto bread. This bread is made with almond flour and eggs, which makes it low in carbohydrates and high in protein. Ingredients: 2 cups almond flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup melted butter or coconut oil. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, mix together the almond flour, baking powder, and salt. 2. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and melted butter or coconut oil together. 3. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. 4. Grease a loaf pan and pour the batter into the pan. 5. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 6. Allow the bread to cool before slicing and serving. This keto bread recipe is a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional wheat bread. It's perfect for making avocado toast or for enjoying with a side of butter or jam. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet can be a healthy and delicious way to eat. By focusing on nutrient-dense, whole foods and limiting your intake of carbohydrates, you can create satisfying and tasty meals. The keto bread recipe provided is a great alternative to traditional wheat bread and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Be sure to find the links in this video description to more healthy keto recipes. Please subscribe to our channel if you would like more of this video content.